In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add a glitch effect. First, add the layer to the timeline, then open Effects and Presets window, search for VR Digital Glitch, and add it to the layer. Then in Effect Controls, go into Distortion, and from here you can customize the glitch effect. Color Distortion controls the amount of RGB splitting. Distortion Ray controls the amount of the glitching, although increasing it too high will remove the RGB splitting. Then we have Distortion Evolution that allows us to animate the glitching, and we have Color Evolution that allows us to animate the RGB splitting. Now there are two ways you can animate these properties. First is to create a keyframe by clicking on the stopwatch icon, then move the playhead forward and increase the value. This will animate the glitching throughout the timeline. Or what you can do instead is hold down the Alt key on the keyboard, click on the stopwatch icon, then inside of this field type time, *25 for example, then click away, and this will automatically animate the glitching until the end of the layer, and higher the value, the quicker it will do that. You can also duplicate VR Digital Glitch by selecting it and pressing Ctrl D a couple of times to create an extra glitch effect.